I'm Linoshka. Welcome back to my channel. If you've seen my hair transformation video, if you haven't seen it yet, then you should go check out the link over here. This is my new hair and I absolutely love it, and I love it more because I started using a new Indian Curly Girl brand, and these are all the products. Their shampoo, their conditioner and their curl defining cream, and I absolutely love them. I've been using it for over a month now, and I'm making this video for the full review of this product range. So stay tuned till the end of this video. So today is day one. I just washed my hair last night and I woke up to these amazing curls. I'm having a special guest over to try these products on, and watch till the end of this video in order to find out how to get such amazing curls. So today's guest and model is my mother. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. So obviously I've got my curls from her, but I always feel like she doesn't maintain her curls enough. So today is the first time that I'm going to be washing her hair, and we're going to try the products that I've used on my own hair. So last night I washed my hair and this is day one, and I've got these amazing luscious curls. So I want to try if we're going to have the similar effect with hers or not. So first we're going to wash her hair with the shampoo and use the conditioner, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how I apply the leave-in styling cream. So one interesting thing that I wanted to share with you is the first time I tried the products from Curl Up, I felt like my hair was a bit too dry, and I got back to the company and I checked with them because I was too scared to use it again. So I checked with them and they told me that a little bit of shampoo goes a long way, otherwise it might dry your hair and your scalp too much. So I tried different proportions of water to the amount of product, and I am really amazed. I'm really happy with the products. So I figured out how we're going to work with my mom's hair. So let's get started. So before we wash the hair, I'm going to just detangle her hair just using my fingers. Earlier I would use a comb, and I realized that if I just do it with my fingers, then the amount of hair loss is much less. You could do this with a little bit of oil. I feel her hair is quite dry now, but we're just going to go forward with this. And then let's go and get started with the shampoo in the bathroom.
So this coconut-based cleansing shampoo contains natural ingredients like argan oil, chia seed extract and antioxidants along with vitamin E.
So when I first used this shampoo, I love that coconutty fragrance, and all of them have it, but particularly I think the shampoo. But I didn't realize, how much to put, but because I'm generally used to putting so much of shampoo just to remove that excess buildup and the oils that I have built up in my scalp throughout the week. So I ended up using a lot, I guess, and that really stripped away all the oils and made my hair dry, and I think that's what went wrong with the first time that I used the product. So when I did check with the company, they said to use a little amount of shampoo. The conditioner, of course, you need to use as per your requirement. Use extra conditioner. So that's about the shampoo. The Curl Up hydrating conditioner, like I think half is almost over. So it feels like a very whipped texture, and this was really great because it does moisturize your hair and puts back the hydration. So as always, for any curly girl, you want to use good conditioner so that it brings up all that hydration and moisture back into your hair.
So this is the amount of shampoo that I've used to clean my mother's scalp. Her scalp wasn't itchy or flaky or dry, so I was mindful, keeping in mind my experience as to how much product to use, and I used more water to rinse off and complete the shampoo process. Once everything has been rinsed through, time for step 2, The conditioner. The Curl Hydrating Conditioner consists of an ultra-rich and nourishing formula with argan oil, chia seed extract and flaxseed extract, which provides a good slip, making it easy to detangle the curly locks. I'm using the raking method, just using my fingers to apply the product on both sides and on the back to complete all the sections of the hair and ensure even distribution of the product. And after around 5 minutes, we rinsed it off.
The Curl Up Curl Defining Cream, this is absolute gold. You should get your hands on this. This is the best. This is gold. From the entire product range, I absolutely love this, and I cannot stop recommending it enough. I think a lot of people recommend this product, and for good reason. So it's rupees 690 for 150 grams, and I know people have just finished it off and they're already on their third tube, like within 1.5 months or 2 months. But that also depends on their hair length and the type of texture that they have. So I'm using it for over a month and I love it. And I tried to because I got back to the company and they told me, because I was first initially scared to use too much of this product because I felt that this is the product that's drying my hair, but they told me it's just the shampoo, so you can put extra conditioner and you can put the curl defining cream because it will add moisture and hydration to your curls. So it says on dripping wet hair. So over time I feel like if my hair is not dripping wet but it's still wet enough after having a shower, I'm still experimenting with it a bit. And another reason that I love this cream is because of the refresh. So I work out like almost 6 days a week and my hair is in a pineapple bun, and most of the time my fringe just gets wet with sweat and just messed up. So I do a very light refresh with this, like just 1-2 sprays of this, and then I'll use a pea-size amount of this curl defining cream. I spread it on my hands and then I use the praying hand technique. Probably I'll do a different video on it, and then finger coil it. I absolutely love this product. You should definitely get your hands on this one.
The curl defining cream helps to reduce frizz, adds shine and defines curls with a long lasting hold. I'm using first the praying hand technique and then using my fingers to rake through the hair. This is generally what I do on my own hair as well, and sometimes I like to add in a little bit of water and then mix it in, especially if I feel like my hair is not wet enough. After ensuring even product distribution, you can end with a final wet scrunch.
So I feel like I've used enough product for her hair, and after scrunching it up, the curl pattern all automatically goes in. Her hair has tighter curls than mine. If I'm a 3A, I feel like she's a 3C hair curl type. But I'm going to use a finger coil technique in the front of her face and for her bangs, just because it angles and frames her face. So let's do that.
I just take a small section of the hair and wrap it around my finger and coil it rather, and leave it gently, and I like to pull it up through so that it maintains its natural curly hair pattern. Just see what I'm doing here and you'll get the gist.
So I just did a little finger coiling for the front sections of the hair, and the rest of her hair pretty much has formed nice curls as is, and we're just going to let it air dry. So we'll have lunch and then we'll come back and see how her hair has turned out after a complete air dry. So as you can see, the curls have clumped up nicely and they formed a very nice cast. You can use the scrunch out the crunch method solely using your hands, but I feel you get more frizz like that. So a new method I started using is applying a little bit of oil and then scrunching out or softening the scrunch, because you can see the cast is formed, the curls look great, but it's like very crispy and you want more volume, and at the same time you want some softness to the hair as well. So let's just do that.
Continue the SOTC, the scrunching out the crunch technique, on all sections of the hair, but be mindful not to make it frizzy. Just scrunch out the crunch while maintaining definition.
So she's got some really nice crispy curls and nice coils. And this is the first time I've used a product in her hair. I feel like I thought her hair is thicker and she might need more product, so I use more of the curl defining cream. But I think next time she can use like more water, like on soaking wet hair. I think that's the way to go. Try it with soaking wet hair and then decrease the proportion of water to the product. While this is still nice, if you want more volume while still getting definition, then you can experiment with that. But if you want great definition, then this is great. So this is what her curls look like. And yeah, are you happy with the curls?
Very happy, thank you.
She's generally used to having like a lot of frizz. She doesn't concentrate much on definition. She just runs her hair through, and yeah. So now you can do this on your own with the new Curl Up products.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you. If you like this video, do not forget to hit like and subscribe to this video. Thank you.
Do not subscribe to the video.
The channel.
Subscribe to the channel. Cut it.
If you like this video, do not forget to hit like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.
Long lasting, bouncy, and curls with great definition. I've left links in the description below so you can buy these products on Amazon.